I brought my iPad to the park secretly because of me. And I'm just going to venture around. Soon I'm going to go on a little walk. Yo, this looks dangerous, okay? This is kind of dangerous. Yo, what's this? I don't trust this. Really don't trust this. So, I'm just holding on. Right. There's people. It's lit. The place is lit. Even though it's kind of boring. I'm just going on a walk after. I'm staying here for like 10 minutes. Going on a walk. My mum will expect I'm gone. Walk for 5 minutes and come back here. Play for like another 10 minutes. Yeah. But I don't know how I'm gonna like go on that without being totally annihilated with this camera. Unless I grab on tight with the camera. Weird. Okay, let's go. Yeah.
Well, it's not my fault.
Okay.
Your father put them on you. Mind out the way. Leo, mine. It's not a slide, Leo.
Okay.
Leo, don't think. Go back to now, Leo, and I can put it up. I'm not. Tell me when to come. Now? Yeah. Harley? You have a go, then look boy wants to go after you, right, Harley?
It's okay, he can go.
Thanks.
Do you want me to hold your phone?
Nope.
Oh, you nearly got to go.
Oh my god. Boy! I need to get off this thing. Oh my god. That was sick. I'm scary. I'm sick scary. Okay. I recorded that. Damn it, why am I doing this? This is in my hand. I should really have a camera. Okay. I don't know what to do. Really don't know. Really don't know what to do. When I was in the goalie gave it to me. No, he can have it. Really nice. Little girl, seriously. Anyway, I'm going on that walk. I've gone on everything fun. Whoa, what's this? Oh, wow, just a balloon that I just popped. I've not gone on everything. See that? Climb on top of that. With my camera in my hand. I've done it without my camera. But I'm gonna die if I do this. Okay, anyway. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Okay. I'm just gonna look at them. Okay, I'm going on that walk. Run! See, I'm going up that mountain. I'm going back down. I'm going to go all around this field and just do some things. So guys, I'm going to start doing vlogging videos. Because I think you guys may be getting bored of my everyday Lego animations. And shout out to my little boy Orlando in Albania. Maybe not now, but he was. Shout out to him. Shout out to Caden, my man. And yeah, mostly it. And shout out to my brother that started from me making gaming videos. Shout out to him. And yeah, I haven't been making a lot of videos because my niece has been over. And I haven't been playing with my friends also because my niece has been over. So I've kind of been having to play with my niece most of the time. But now my mum just let me out. Like, seriously, don't need to bother going near my niece. Well, we're going over there. You hear that? I don't trust that. What the frick is down there? Just a pit. Grasshoppers. I hate that sound. Don't you hate it? It just gets in your ear. Where the hell are these grasshoppers anyway? See, look, blackberry bush. Your fam. Thorns. Oh, got a blackberry. Taking it home as a souvenir. Taking some at home as souvenirs. I don't trust that sound. I never think that was on. I think that's an ordinary sound. Souvenirs got blackberries up this hill. Yo, I can shoot the world from lit. I'm gonna go into the skate park for no exact reason. Hey people, that's good sign. I didn't make friends at the park because I knew I was gonna leave instantly. Found a man jogging down there. Yo, I can't keep my hands still when I'm running. Okay. Okay. So we are here. Lit fashions. I remember doing this, almost broke myself. My brother saved me, literally. He saved me from breaking myself. Anyway, look at these professionals. It's not an ordinary. Yo, they're just practicing for that cool thing at Sunday. Cool thing at Sunday? Oh yeah. Cool thing at Sunday. I'll probably go see it Sunday. Make another video. Yep, right? 7 minutes. That's it. Anyway, let's keep on going. Down the trail, we're going this way now. I remember we went this way and we found black cat. A black cat, literally a stray black cat. At least I got my three souvenirs, aka 3 blackberries. To make blackberry pie. Yo, the sound just... Yo, every time I look behind me, the sound stops. Oh, butterfly! Yo, I want to crush it. But nature doesn't allow me to. I think those are too hard to get. This is a den for like animals. Oh, ow, 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 ow. See, I got the fawn attached. Okay, I'm gonna put you down for a sec. Okay, guys, look, got the souvenir. So, guys, I do not know what I'm doing. Looking around, getting souvenirs. This is more of a nature video. So here is a fox mansion, aka a giant blackberry bush. And I have got a rock in my shoe that I cannot get out. This is like a nature reserve place. Look at this. This is like a mansion for everything dangerous, like foxes, snakes. But you're in Europe. Yeah, I'm in Europe. There's snakes in Europe. Grass snakes. And that's just scary. I am in Hayes. I go to Hillingdon. Primary school. Oh, anyway. still, once more, shout out to Orlando and Caden. Just looking for some of your souvenirs. Shout out to Orlando and Caden. My little man probably still in Albania, but probably not. And shout out to Caden, my man. And thumbs up if you like Fortnite, because I don't. What the frick is that? Can you see that black thing? Can you see that? Yo, fam, what the frick is that? I don't know if it's just a bag or like a giant animal. Oh, it looks like it's a bag. Look at all those birds over there. Literally, birds. Oh my god. I got enough reserve things, whatever, resources to make a giant. Eat blackberries. If you ever find yourself in the wild, always eat blackberries. Because those are basically the only food source. Other berries are just like, oh wow, we can't find any other berries except for blackberries. Anyway, yeah. What the frick? That's not normal. Guys, do you think that is normal? Yo, it's a flock of birds. Oh, I know it's something sick. Whoa! Lit. See them? I scared them away. Yo, that was sick. Sick. I'm going back to my house. And then the video is probably going to end with me saying peace. Peace. And bye. Hey, that's the same running man I saw. Where does that lead? Yo, people are mysterious these days. And I'm running down here. Oh wait, it leads to the other field. What? I could have got here easier. Anyway, I don't really here. I wanted to get those reserve. Look, we're back at the park. Oh my god. Who is that running? Who is that running? Weird. Okay, I'm still walking. Still walking. Yo, I'm going back to the park. See something's fun. Yo, I'm going back to the park. If I post this video, you guys are gonna have to like deal with its lag.